Many times people ask it, how much does it cost to replace kitchen faucet? But lady in the office cannot answer you the price because she don't know what exactly you have in your kitchen or any other situation. And what you have, like if you have faucet like this, it's a frozen. And plumber when came, he will look at for this one is you're not able to, because 99% you're not able to unscrew this screw and you have caught faucet. If it's faucet like this, 99% you have to cut this faucet. And lady in the office never told you the price because she don't know what exactly going on here. And you're not professional to tell her, hey, plumber have to come, do this, that, disconnected water, angle valve is working, everything is fine. They have to just assemble or they have to cut faucet or whatever step they have to take. Nobody know till plumber, like an expert, came, look at, and tell exactly what's problem here and how much it's going to be cost, because it can take 20 minutes, 1 hour, and it can take 1 hour and a half, 2 hours to do the work. And completely different tools you have to use, completely different skills you have to replace faucet like this, because someone who don't know how to assemble this faucet and how to do this proper, they can screw up your kitchen, break your sink, and do many things. I saw that a lot when people who is not professional came and do the work. Is not just unscrew it, something more difficult, just break the kitchen, and then it's cost you a lot more.